Saraswati Shishukunj, Wagwala Borsad, English Medium, Standard 4th Subject Maths. As you all know that still we are doing the revision, right, for the unit test. So now we are going to come to question number 2B, the last question, okay, of the revision. So let's see question 2B. Answer the following questions on the basis of the table given below. What will be there in the question? You will have a table like this, and after that few questions will be given to you. You have to solve that questions on the basis of this table. Okay, this question is taken from chapter number 9. If you all remember, then this question we have already done in the live class when I was teaching you chapter number 9. So let's see number 1. Number 1 is, what is the price of 1/4 kilogram tomatoes? Before solving this, first let's see the table, that what is given in the table. Two columns are there, themes, and on other side price per kilogram. Here kg stands for kilogram, right? So tomato, what is the price of 1 kilogram tomato? Rupees 28. Then potato is there. Potato are of 30 rupees per 1 kilogram. Onion is of 46 rupees for 1 kilogram. Carrot are of rupees 24 of 1 kilogram. And last is pumpkin of rupees 18. That also for 1 kilogram only. So let's see for the first question, that what is the price of 1/4 kilogram tomatoes? Look, the price is already given to you for 1 kilogram. What is the price for the 1 kilogram? That's 28 rupees. Okay. So one price is here, and the portion for what you need to find the price is given to you in the question here. Fine. So you have to find the portion of 1/4 kilogram of tomatoes. So what we will do first? First we will write that 1 kg is equal to rupees 28. Right? We need to find for 1/4 kg. So we will write here 1/4 kg is equal to question mark. Okay. Now what we have to do? We have to multiply 1/4 with 28. So we can say that therefore 1/4 multiplied by rupees 28. So is equal to 28 divided by 4. We all know that 28 is already there in the table of 4. When we multiply 4 with 7, at that time we get 28. So here answer is rupees 7. At last you have to write it that rupees 7 is the price of 1/4 kg tomatoes. One thing always remember, that you have to solve these sums. If you will not solve these sums, you will lose your one whole mark. If you directly write the answer that 7 rupees is the price of 1/4 kg tomatoes, it's just only answer, but how you calculate that, how you got that answer, that you have to show it in a paper. Okay, let's move towards number 2. What is the price of 3/4 kilogram potatoes? So what is the price of potato? Is rupees 30 for 1 kilogram. We need to find for 3/4. Okay, so what we will do, as we have done here, the same steps we will take it, but instead of 1/4 we will take now 3/4. Okay, so 1 kg is equal to rupees 30 for potato. Okay, so 3/4 kg is equal to question mark, right? So we can say that therefore 3/4 multiplied by rupees 30. Now let's multiply this, is equal to 3 multiplied by 30 by 4. Here it is 30, right? So 33s are 90. Okay, what is here? 90 by 4. At last what we will get answer? So when we multiply 90 by 4, we will get answer rupees 22.5. Okay, so we will write it in the form of sentence now. 3/4 kg potatoes price is rupees 22.5. Okay, clear? Just take a look now. Let's see number 3. What cost more? Here you have to compare. Okay, more means you have to compare two things. 1/2 kilogram of tomatoes or 1/4 kilogram of carrots. Prices are given to you here on the table, right? So you have to compare 1/2 kg of tomatoes and 1/4 kg of carrots. But before that you need to find that 1/2 kg of tomatoes price is how much and 1/4 kg of carrots price is how much. Okay, so first let's calculate it. 1 kg tomatoes is equal to rupees 28, right? So 1/2 kg tomatoes is equal to question mark. Therefore 1/2 kg multiplied by rupees 28. We all know that we can write it here like this, 28 by 2 is equal to, when we are getting 28 in the table of 2, when we multiply 2 with 14, right? So here our answer is 14. So we can say that is equal to rupees 14, right, for the 1/2 kg. Okay, now same way let's find it for 1/4 kg carrots. So 1 kg carrots is equal to rupees, here in the table the price is given 24 rupees, so that we will take it 24 here. Now 1/4 kg which we need to find it of carrots price, so that we will write it is equal to question mark, right? Same kind of word problems are also there of question 3b. Here table is given and over there the price is given in the question. It's simple, fine. So don't get confused, you are able to do both the questions. Now let's multiply this. Therefore 1/4 kg multiplied by rupees 24. We can say that 24 divided by 4 is equal to, when we get 24 in the table of 4, when we multiply 4 with 6 we get 24, right? So here our answer is rupees 6. Now compare both the price, rupees 14 and rupees 6. Which one is more? 1/2 kilogram tomatoes price is more compared to 1/4 kilogram of carrots, right? So here we can write answer that 1/2 kg tomatoes price is rupees 14, which is more than 1/4 kg price of carrots. Look, it's very easy and simple thing. If you will see, if you will understand what I had explained, you will able to get it. Okay, just take a look, then we will move towards another question. Let's move towards our fourth number sum. The question is, what costs less? In the third number we had seen more, that which price is more, right? Now let's see for less. 3/4 kilogram carrots or 1 kilogram pumpkin. Instead of carrot and pumpkin, it can be asked to you any vegetables which is given in the table, okay, for the exams. Even in the worksheets also it will be there, different question for you, okay? So don't get confused. Let's see the solution of number 4. So first we need to find the 3/4 kg price of carrots, okay? So we can say that 1 kilogram carrots is equal to rupees, what is the price given to us here? 24 rupees, right? So that we will write it here 24. So we can say that 3/4 kg carrots is equal to question mark. Okay, let's multiply 3/4 multiply by rupees 24. As we know that, okay, we can do like this: 24 multiplied by 4. 4 sevens are 24, right? When you can do this cancellation work, when it is there as an answer, then and then. If it is unable to cut, then you have to divide that number. Okay. So 24 is already there in the table of 4 when we multiply 4 with 7. So here we have 3 multiplied by 7. So what we will get is equal to rupees 21. Okay. So 21 rupees is the price of 3/4 kilogram of carrots. Now let's see the price of pumpkin. We already know 1 kilogram price pumpkin is 18 rupees. So we will compare it. 3/4 kg carrots is equal to rupees 21 and 1 kg pumpkin is equal to rupees 18, which is already there in a table, right? So now if we will compare, then we can say that rupees 18 is less, right? Rupees 18 is less than rupees 21. So at last answer we can write that 1 kg pumpkin price is less than 3/4 kg carrots price. Okay, clear? Just take a look. I hope that now this last question 2B is clear for everyone. Good luck for your exam. Thank you.